first concept is dynamic typing. Now, Python is a dynamically typed programming language, and that means that whenever you define a variable, its type can actually change later on. So here we have a variable x equals 10. Because we've assigned 10, which is an integer, to x, the type of this variable is an int. However, later in the program, I can change this variable to something like a string, and there's absolutely no issue with that. This is one of the features of Python that makes it amazing, but also causes a lot of headaches. Let me show you what I mean. So check out this example. We have a very simple function where we add the values a and b, which come in as parameters. Now, even though we annotate these as an integer, which is valid in Python, you can define what the type should be, it's not actually enforced. What that means is that it's okay for us to execute this code and Python will run it no problem, but while we run it, we'll run into what's known as a runtime error. That's why if you really want to make your code bulletproof, you need to check the types before you execute functions. So what I can do is paste in something like this, where I check if the type of a does not equal an integer. I can also do this for b, but in this case, if I save the code now and I run, you'll see that we get 30 and then we get invalid. So we no longer have this type error because we've not allowed the function to perform this operation that depends on both of these values being integers.